Do you offer managed events? Now that's something that we actually really enjoy doing, is we do managed events. Occasionally we will find a dealership that we will partner with. We have a special contract, but ultimately we handle all the expenses for the event. We just get paid, you know, out of the check at the end. But yeah, we'll send in someone. Generally these people have, you know, 5-10 years experience. A lot of the times they've done staffed events, managed events. They've held roles as, you know, general managers. Sometimes even a couple of our guys are general managers. Many times they're sales managers, finance guys. So they have lots of experience. We send them into your dealership. We set up the ad so they ask to speak to that person. They handle all of the incoming traffic. They actually work the car deals. If for whatever reason there's, you know, multiple customers show up at the same time, they hand over those deals to other people, you know, but they play kind of the role of like a floor manager, right? So if they do have more than one deal working, they're going to come in, they're going to help close, they're going to help test drive, they're going to do all that stuff, right? So it's going to take a lot of the burden, pretty much no burden on your team, except they're, you know, may have the opportunity to sell a few extra cars, and at the end of the day your dealership makes a bunch of gross. So it's kind of a win-win for everybody, and you know, it didn't cost the dealership anything up front. So it's a lot of times it's just like a staffed event where people want to pay for the mail. It's the same thing. We can do that with Facebook.